Worksheets! Yahoo! Hello friends, welcome to Mino's school and this is your friend Mino. Today we'll learn about numbers from 1 to 5. So let's begin. Hello kids, I'm number 1. I'm so much fun.
I'm number 2, TWO2.
I am free because I'm number 3. Hoo-hoo!
I'm number 4, but wait, there is one more. I'm number 5. Let's say high five.
Welcome back friends. Did you like the numbers? Yes. Oh, I like them too. So now that you know numbers from 1 to 5, let's begin counting. Now tell me how many cups are on the table. 1 cup. Yes, that's right. 1 cup is on the table. 1. Let's count the cups again. 1 and 2. Yes, that's correct. 2 cups. How many cups are on the table? 2. 2 cups are on the table. Wow, this is so much fun. Let's count the cups again. 1, 2, and 3. 3 cups. Well done, kids. Oh, here's another cup. Let's count them once again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. This is wonderful. Good job, kids. Oh, here's another cup. Let's count them for the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job.
One little star shining in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, oh so high. Two tiny birds singing just for you. Flap their wings, 1 and 2. 3 little frogs hopping by the door. Ribbit, ribbit, count to 4. 4 bright balloons floating in the air. Hold them tight, they're everywhere. 5 happy fish swimming in the sea. Count them all, 1, 2, 3.
I hope you liked today's lesson. To make learning more fun and hands-on, download the worksheets from the description of the video. Bye-bye.